Today, I'm going to show you how to create jump links in WordPress using the fastest, most up-to-date method available in the modern editor for 2023 and beyond. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add these helpful links to your posts and pages, so your readers can jump straight to the sections they care about. This is a fantastic way to make your content more organized, user-friendly, and interactive, whether you're building a recipe blog, a FAQ, or a detailed tutorial just like this one. So let's dive in. We're going to use the default WordPress editor, also called Gutenberg, and don't worry, no need for extra plugins or custom code. The process is actually pretty straightforward and quick, but I'll walk you through each part so you leave here feeling totally confident. Let's start with setting the destination, the spot you want readers to jump to. First, find the section in your post you want to link to. This could be a heading, a paragraph, or even an image. For example, if you have a long recipe post, maybe you want a link right at the top that jumps your visitors down to the ingredients section. Click directly on that block to select it. Take a moment to make sure you've got the right one highlighted. It's easy to accidentally pick the wrong heading if you have several similar ones. Now, with the block selected, look to the right side, the block sidebar. If you don't see it, click the little gear icon at the top to reveal your settings. Then expand the advanced section. This is where we'll set a unique identifier known as an HTML anchor. In the field labeled HTML anchor, type a short, unique name. Something like ingredients works great. Just remember, only use letters, numbers, and hyphens, no spaces, underscores, or the hash symbol. The anchor acts kind of like a bookmark for that part of your page. Giving each anchor a meaningful name helps you stay organized, especially on longer posts. And if you ever forget what you named it, you can always come back and check in the block settings. All right, your destination is ready. Now let's set up the clickable jump link. Scroll to the part of your post where you want the link. Highlight the text users will click, like jump to ingredients. Next, look for the little link icon in the formatting toolbar. It looks like a chain link. You can also use a handy shortcut. Just press Ctrl+K on Windows or CMD+K on Mac. In the field that pops up, type a hash followed by the anchor ID you just created. So for our example, that would be ingredients. The hash symbol tells WordPress that this link is jumping to a specific part of your page, not an external site. Once you've typed it out, press enter or click the apply button. And that's it. Now if you preview or update your post, clicking your jump link will smoothly take the reader straight to the section you anchored. No scrolling, no fuss. If it doesn't work as expected, double check that your anchor name matches exactly. Spelling and punctuation matter. This feature is especially handy for FAQs, contents tables, or any long page where folks might want to jump ahead, so don't be afraid to use it wherever it helps your readers out. So to recap. Pick your destination block, open the sidebar's advanced tab, add your anchor with a unique name, then create a link with hash plus your anchor. Give it a try. Once you've done it a couple times, you'll be amazed how easy and helpful this can be. If this tutorial saved you some scrolling, please give it a thumbs up. Got questions or run into any snags, drop a comment below and I'm happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more fast, practical WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.